Hello, I am Biplav speaking. This is my daily checklist. Today the schedule is we also do as daily routine work. I have done all Beta Team Red Hat channel. All check out from here, and also move out all the files from here, and then I go to my schedule work. Today my schedule works, I open my VMware Tax, and there have some works today, and you have sent a video on product market research on Amazon, Amazon, and I saw that videos and understand what you are saying on that. And as per your instruction, I work today on knives CSV files. What you have sent today, I check out from them, and I got some product, and I set it on our BA501 channel, and please check it. I have also worked on Frontier 030, and I work done, and please check it on the channel. And then I work on KGG ad. I follow up all the mail come from the tenant, and I reply them, and also set it on rental channel. Please check it over here. I already submitted some tenant phone number, name, and other some details. So, and also work on KG ad. I have done my KGG ad also. So this is today's schedule work, and please check it. Thank you.